Hello everyone, thank you for joining the channel. Today we will have some fun practicing a superhero face, and in this case we are going to draw a face that is looking down. It is a very popular pose in pop culture. We will start with a simple set of lines, so very light strokes please, and we'll just put in a line like so, an arc right there, loosely, but try to keep the arc as even as possible. It's not essential, we are only practicing, but as even as it is, it will help form a more solid and balanced picture. And then in this case I'm going to recommend a set of lines like that, and an oval right about there. That oval that I've put in will definitely go a little past this line here that we had put in, and of course intersect with these two lines. The top can vary, and it will depend on how the portrait is generated going forward. And then I'm going to put in sharp curves right there, again very light strokes, another one right along there, and another one right there somewhere at the bottom. Now the idea is we are looking at this thing from the angle that the face is looking downward, or it's like drooping. So we form some solid lines first around the oval, try to make it into an egg shape, larger at the top and more conical or more sharper, smaller at the bottom. Right where these lines are joining the oval and the arc, we'll start putting in an ear at each spot there, so starting there and ending pretty much at this line. And then I would recommend throwing in a nose first. The nose can go right till this point where this line was, and no higher than this area, this line, and that would indicate a brow. This will be the area where the eyes are going to come in. So we have put a pair of eyes right there. And then we will put in the mouth somewhere there. Now the degree, the angle, the extent on each line, each detail that you put in can actually vary. And then to round this off, first we will just throw those neck muscles, those lines in. That there is the collarbone. And we round it out there with some shoulders right about there. That went a little farther there. I'm going to bring it in to to make it a little more accurate. Now I'm going to fix that ear as well. That was sitting a little higher than the other one. So more or less we have tried to balance that out, and of course this is only rough, but this is a very popular angle for many different pop culture figures, or it could be even used in routine portraits, because after all, if you check out some modeling images online, it's a very popularly done pose. So from here it can go anywhere. You could add, if you have to add some detail on the top of the head, I would recommend another oval right about there, above that line, and you could go as high as that or stay on there, and then from that side onward add and throw in a hairline. Some roughly done unkempt hair right there. You could add a pair of eyeballs, and again I might use the pen to highlight these details a little better over the pencil strokes that we have put in. So if you add in a pair of eyeballs there, that's one angry pose. Or it could be a character that is actually at peace, and in that case all that you would really do is vary the degree of the folds on the eyebrows that we show here, and then of course we'll have the little details come in to round out the portrait. So there is one quick way of doing it. A portrait or a face looking down, and of course you can Google different images to check out different poses and different angles, different perspective. I hope this was helpful. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. We'll be posting more videos. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day.